This is breaking news. Alerts has been issued for this area. A civil emergency message will be needed if traveling is causing whiteout conditions. Please stay tuned.
Blizzard warning in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon until 9 p.m. Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions likely. Total snow accumulation around 3 inches. Ice accumulation around 1/4 of an inch. Where? Northern Plush City County and southern Wakefield Robloxia. When? From 5 p.m. this afternoon until 9 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. Blizzard conditions can cause whiteout conditions. If you must travel, use a first aid kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle.